What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you step by step on how to draw Chucky. Let's begin today's lesson on the center of our page with the brow. Let's start over on the left side. Start with a curve that comes in, and then we'll bend that down. Just gonna round out the brow and just pull this up in the center of our page. Now I want to take that curve and flip it over on the right. So we'll start on the inside, bend this down around the brow, and then up, go up, and then bend that out. Let's pull the eyes towards the inside of the brow. Starting from the very top, we're gonna draw a half circle, going all the way around, and just tuck that up underneath the brow. Let's add a small half circle on the inside for the pupil. And then we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's draw the outside of the eyelid. Start from the top of the eye, curve around, and then just bend that in. Now we're going to move to the center and draw the nose. We'll start on the left, curve the nose coming down, and then up. Now I want to step up and add a fold, going up and then down. Now I move down and shift the mouth over towards the right. Let's start up here, curve the mouth coming down and up. Round out the corner of the mouth. Now we're just going to tuck this back in towards the center. Let's separate the teeth with a straight angled line, showing the outside, and then we'll add a curve right in the middle. Let's add a fold on the outside of the mouth. And then from here we move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the brow, let's step out, and curve the head going out, and then back in towards the chin. Let's go to the right, going out, and then back in. Let's round out the jaw, and down and then in. Just going to leave a gap in the center. And then we'll layer the chin on top, stepping up, go down, and then up. Let's add some freckles along the side. Start with 2 dots along the top on both sides, 1 in the center along the bottom. Now let's go back over towards the left side and work our way up towards the top of the head. From here, we're going to go straight up, and we'll just bend that in. Now I'm going to bring the hair coming down across the right side. Start right in the middle, come down and across towards the right eye, go out, and then back up. Let's go halfway along this line, add another curve coming down towards the eye, and taper that back up. Now stepping back down, it's going to curve across the side of the head and then out. Let's go back to the left side of the head, curve this out and then down. Now we want to tuck the ears in behind these curves. Come down and then bend that in. Let's add some stitches on the left side. Start with a curve going across the brow, and then add these short lines just going across. Now let's go back up to the top and work our way around the hair on the right side. From this point, we'll step up, pull this up and out towards the right, and then we'll bring that back down. Let's add another point, going up and out, and then back in, and go all the way around the right side of the head and then bring that down. Let's go to the left side. Start with a curve going up and out, bring that back down, and go all the way around the side of the head and then down. Let's add a point on the bottom, just pulling this in, and curve this down and then out, and then back in towards the side. Let's work our way down towards the bottom of the head, going around the ear, and then in, pull this up towards the ear. Let's go back over towards the right and add that point, come down and then out, pull it back in, go around the ear, and then down. Let's add in that point. Now we're going to bring the hair coming in underneath the cheeks. Down and in. Pull this up. Let's add one more point. Coming down and then up. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start on the left side of the chin, curve the body going out, come down, just bend that in towards the hip. Let's go over towards the right. Going out, down, and then in. Let's add in the top of the overalls with a curve, going up and then down. And we'll add the straps on the left and right side. Let's add a small circle for the button on the left and right. And then the pocket in the center, we'll start with a straight line going across, and we'll connect the ends with a half circle. Now I'm going to move in between the hips, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. From the center, curve the leg going out and down toward the left heel, go back to the center, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. From the left heel, curve the foot coming down and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the top of the foot going up, bring that down, aiming towards the heel, bend that back up towards the inside. Let's add that thick fold along the bottom of the pant. We're going to start on top of the foot and go up and in. I'm just going to curve this in and then down. Now I'm going to go to the outside of the hip, curve the leg going out and back in underneath that cuff. Let's add a thick sole on the bottom of the feet. So we'll take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that across. Now let's add in that toe cap. From the top of the foot, bend this in and then down towards the sole. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start with the arm on the left holding the knife. From the top of the body, come down and then out towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, we're going to curl the thumb going around the handle and then down. Round out the thumb and pull that back up. Let's wrap 3 fingers along the outside. Starting from the side of the thumb, we draw a half oval. Going out and in, come down to the bottom, just tuck this up underneath the thumb, and then do that one more time. Let's draw the top of the handle. 2 straight angled lines going up, close off the top with a curve. Now going down to the bottom of the hand, we're going to extend the line going out, go back to the inside, angle this down towards the bottom of the blade, connect the top and the bottom with a curve. Now I'm going to go back up to the wrist, curve the palm coming in, and just bend that out in behind the blade, step back up, bend the arm coming in behind the body. Now I'm going to line up the inside of the arm over on the right, bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and close this off with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers. Start from the bottom of the thumb, open down and up around that bracket, step down, go out and then up, and then the 3rd finger, we're just going to pull this all the way up and in towards the head. Let's separate the wrist with a curve, going up and then out. Now I'm going to add some stripes across the sleeves and the body. Let's start from the left wrist, step in, just going to curve this across and down. Just going to leave a gap and just work our way up toward the top of the arm. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's trace out the chin along the bottom, and we'll draw a straight line going across. Now let's add some stripes across the cuff. Step in, draw a straight angled line, and leave a gap and work our way in. And then we'll do the same thing on the right side, And that's pretty much it. That's how we draw Chucky. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your requests in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.